Are you tired of the overwhelming process of searching for the perfect home? Let Amber Developments make it simple for you. Starting your online home buying journey with Amber Developments is easy. Simply visit our website and select your preferred location, home style, and budget. Once you've chosen your favorite project, you can check out the building with a virtual scale model online. Depending on the project phase, you can either request a suite or make the purchase directly online. Prefer more human touch? Come to our presentation center, where our team of experts is ready to help you make the best decisions for your dream home. Whether you prefer online or in-person communication, the choice is yours. Now, it's time to customize your dream home with our online design studio. You can choose from a wide range of finishes and visualize how they will look in your home. Whether you want to do it all yourself or work with our team of professional designers, we've got you covered. You can book an online or design center appointment, and we'll help you make your dream home reality. With Amber Developments, you can confidently purchase your home online. Start your online home buying journey with Amber Developments today and get ready to move into your dream home.